Hello, now we're going to learn how to insert variables into print statements. So I have saved dog equals golden retriever as a variable. Now I want to print uh, I love my golden retriever, but I want that to be any dog. So I'm going to do I love my, and I'm going to create a space at the end here. So it leaves a space, and then I'm going to do plus dog. And then end this, and when I press it, it says I love my golden retriever. Now if I change the type of dog to maybe a black lab, and then I did the same print I love my dog, now it'll print I love my black lab. Um, and so it continues to, it needs whatever, it takes whatever variable and throws it in the print statement. Now, if um, we want something else to go after dog, we'd have to do another plus and then a quotes, maybe very much. Now, there's going to be a small error here. If you look at this, I love my black lab, and there's no space there. So if I press up, I get it up there. So I need to hit a space in after my quotes in order to make sure it looks like how we want it to look like. Now this works fine as long as this is a string, but if it's a number, it doesn't really like it. So if I have number of dogs equals 3, and if I say print I have plus num of dogs, and then dogs, if I print this, it's going to come up with an error. It says that must be a string because it can't be an integer in a print statement. So what we have to do is we have to force this to be a string even though it's not. So we convert this by typing str. str is what makes it a string. So it takes 3 and now it's just a string that has 3 in it. So now when we type it, it says I have 3 dogs. Now I could have left a space in there to make it look a little bit nicer. I have 3 dogs. And now it is working.